We are looking at how to pronounce this name as well as how to say more interesting biblical names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this name? Well, there doesn't seem to be any consensus on how to say this. I could find at least 4 different ways of saying it. So let's go through them and let's see which one is the most common one. One of them is Elihu, Elihu. Another is Elihu, Elihu. Some would say it as Elihu, and I could also find in biblespeak.org, they do pronounce it as Elihu, Elihu. So Elihu, 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 or Elihu. It seems the most common pronunciation that I could find though is as Elihu, Elihu, and that's the one I would go for, Elihu. But it's up to you how to say it after all, Elihu. How do you like to say it? Which one sounds better to you? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this was useful, any helpful at all in the comments. Thanks for liking this video if it was. Thanks for the support, and here are more videos on how to pronounce more biblical names. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.